Hey guys, Chris Rush with Utility Service Agency, proud manufacturer rep for Current Lighting. And today we want to talk to you about our new fixture you see right here, the E2SD, your security light. Some of you all know as a backyard light, and talk to you about some of the new features that we have with this light. So let's jump right in. And first and foremost, you're going to see a little bit of a change here when we talk about our lens. So we're still using the same discrete LED array printed on board. Right in our factory at Hendersonville, North Carolina. But the change you're going to see is those LEDs now are going to be encased inside of an impact-resistant refractive type lens. If we look on the top side of these LEDs, when we go to the top of the housing, you're going to see multiple integrated heat sink fins. These are going to allow for the transfer and mitigation of heat, meaning your LEDs are going to last longer and not be under as much stress. Lumen package. We have increased our lumens on this light to 10,000. So our range is going to be 3,200 to 10,000. So not only a security light, backyard light, but if you still have some 50 to 100 watt high pressure sodium Cobra heads on your system, this is going to be a direct replacement for that. Big thing you're going to notice about this light when you pick it up is going to be the weight. So we're less than 6 pounds. One of the lightest, if not the lightest in the industry. We're going to be 3 pounds lighter than our previous version of this light and about 1 pound to 2 pounds lighter than our competition. So we talked about some things that have changed. What has not changed? Most importantly is the quality of construction and craftsmanship that goes into every current lighting fixture out there on the market. Housing is going to be all die-cast aluminum, and we're going to put a corrosion-resistant powder-coated paint on top of that. Inside, you're going to see the same quality driver that you see in our other products, and you're also still going to get that same standard surge protection, 10 kV, 5 Ka, again, standard with the light. No upcharge, no extra for that standard protection. You're going to continue to get the standard 10-year warranty. We stand behind the longevity of our lights and how they're going to perform, and we feel good about giving you a 10-year warranty on that. Color temperatures or Kelvin temperatures, 2,700, 3,000, and 4,000. And for those of you that are in areas where you're dealing with dark sky compliance or dark sky regulations, you're not going to have to order any additional shielding to make these lights dark sky compliant. What you are going to do is order it without the refractor, and you're going to order it in a Kelvin temperature of 3,000. So no refractor, Kelvin temperature of 3,000, and this light is going to be dark sky compliant. Lastly, because this fixture is assembled right in our backyard in Hendersonville, North Carolina, if you're working on a project that requires Build America, Buy America, or BABA requirements or certification, this light is going to meet those requirements. If you're interested in seeing a demo of the light and comparing it to what you already have on your system, reach out to your local utility service agency territory manager and we'll get that set up for you. And if you have an interest in seeing firsthand how this fixture and all of our fixtures are assembled, painted, and tested, reach out to us and let us schedule a factory tour so you can see firsthand what makes current lighting the standard and the leader in the industry. Thank you.